time has come. I was blinded by the light that shone from your very soul. I guess I've lost my way. Just being near you made every day light up like a shining star. Still I wonder. The time has come. The heat of the moment brought out the best of the worst in me. It was a revelation. I had been lost in the world of your smile and could not break free. Still I wonder. The time has come. I miss you so much. The blues keeps flowing like a pouring rain. I'm wanting you now. Step back from the edge of my reason and pray for another chance. Still I wonder.
Last time I saw her, there was a tear in her eye. Her voice gave a little quaver when she tried to say goodbye. Then the days grew dim and the nights turned cold. My mind was as black as coal. She just walked back into my life and brought a smile to my soul. My baby's gone back to me. Ain't got the blues no more. Is out the door. Baby's going back to thinking about the future. She didn't see a light. The sadness of a love that she didn't feel was right. She had to get away, work her feelings through. She made the right decision. She knew what she must do. But baby's coming back to me. They ain't got the blues no more. But baby's coming back to me. The blues is out the door. Baby's coming back to me. Baby's coming back to me. She makes me feel so good. Baby's come back to me. She makes me feel